today I'm going to be going over the trade that I got break-evened on, which honestly is my fault. This should have been a win, but I got a little emotional and went break-even early, which caused me to make $0 today, which is okay. The money part's okay, but obviously we want to be better in terms of being non-emotional, having discretion, and doing things correctly. So going into the day, very obvious bullish bias. We did have a retap of this hourly gap. We had a very strong candle that was produced via the 8:30 news candle that we got, and so the logic was that if we continue higher, then we can look for trades to higher draws, and if not, we would look to take trades lower back to data lows because that is a very strong draw. So during pre-market, we got this nice long. You could have taken something like this if you're a pre-market trader. I'm not, so obviously I stayed out of this. Waited for market to open, and from there I was looking for continuation higher, but as you can see, we wicked the highs right off open, and then we just start producing bearish structure. So I know some people took a long off of this candle right here to the highs. It's just kind of choppy in the 5 minute, 15 minutes, not really supporting that idea anymore. As you can see, we are just kind of wicking the highs, producing more bearish structure. So you could just kind of want to wait until things are very clear, very evident. So what did I do? I did that. From there, we get a nice 5 minute candle down towards this data low. From here, this gap should not hold. This gap will get run through about 9 times out of 10. And so I was very confident in taking the trade to this low, but unfortunately, I went break even a little early. So I managed the trade. I took the trade on the 5 minute, but I managed on the 1 minute, which is my error. I noticed that ES was kind of close to the low, so if I can pull out the ES chart here, we started wicking. We were here at 10:06, and you can see that on the 10:06 on NQ, we are only right here. So we're basically at our entry point, whereas ES is very close to the low. So I exited a little bit earlier, assuming that ES would take it on the next candle, and so I got wicked out, and price ran straight to the draw. So I did end up losing, and that is because I didn't actually wait for the SMT to take place. I mean, if both assets are moving towards the draw, you need to just have a bit more confidence that we're going to go and take it, especially after this higher time frame, these highs getting invalidated. So an error on my part. We did get break even, which is not a loss, so I cannot be mad about this, but this should have been a win, at the very least, maybe a winning day. So this is something that I need to think about moving forward, and just kind of trusting my bias and and doing things correctly. So more of a learning day, and yeah, that is it. That is my recap.